Hello everyone, welcome to Hindi World. As you know, Hindi is gender-based language and it often becomes difficult to identify which word is masculine and which word is feminine. So today I am here to clear that confusion. In this video, I will share with you words that will help you easily understand the gender difference in Hindi. Here are some examples that are always counted as masculine. First is days of the week. So all the days like Monday, Tuesday, all the days of the week count as a masculine word. I already upload days of the week video on my channel. Go and check it out. Next is country's name. So all the country's name count as a masculine name. Next is month's name. All the month's name count as a masculine word. Next, all planet except Earth. Earth in Hindi we call Prithvi. So Prithvi word count as a feminine word. Next is name of all oceans. So all the ocean name count as a masculine word. Next is name of mountains. So all the mountains name count as a masculine word like Himalaya. Next is name of all metals except silver. So silver it is called in Hindi Chandi. Chandi. So Chandi word is a feminine word. Except Chandi, all the words are the masculine word. Next is name of all trees. So all the trees name count as a masculine word. If you want to know the Hindi meaning of all the trees, go and write your comments. Next is name of all liquids except coffee and tea. Coffee it is called in Hindi coffee and tea it is called in Hindi chai. And coffee and chai, these two words are feminine word. Here are some examples that are always count as feminine. First is name of rivers. So all the rivers name, example Ganga, Yamuna, Krishna, Godavari, there are many names. So all the rivers name count as a feminine word. Next is languages, bhasha. So all the bhasha, all the languages count as a feminine words. Next is name of scripts. So all the scripts like Hindi, Telugu, Urdu, Kannada, Gurumukhi, there are many scripts. So count as a feminine words. Here are more examples. First one is puri. Second is roti. Roti is also called the chapati. Next is sabji, vegetable. Dish, barfi is a sweet. Khichdi. Khichdi is made from rice and pulse. Next is haldi, it's called turmeric. Mirch, it's called chili. Long, it's called clove. And jalebi, jalebi is also a sweet. So all the words counts as a feminine word. Hope you found this video helpful. I will also share more words with you that will help you speak the Hindi language correctly. Write your questions in the comment box. Thank you. Dhanyavad.